Okay guys, welcome to the vlog. I know you guys are kind of entering into the video with some action already. I hope you guys can give this video a like. And as you guys can read on today's title, we are picking up our honeycomb carbon fiber trunk. And the whole story is freaking crazy, guys. So we need to go to the shipping warehouse, wherever where they have it. Go pick it up right now. I just came out of school and I'm excited to pick it up. One more thing I want to say, that the trunk came from LA, came to Sacramento, and it was actually on its way back to LA. And I'm like, no, keep it here. I'm the one who's supposed to receive it. Don't let it go back. And they were able to hold it back, keep it there, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. So I managed to save it just in time, and let's go pick it up. I'm excited. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, welcome back. We just got back home. It's 2 days later. The trunk is inside of the house and we are going to install it today because tomorrow I'm going to be taking it to a friend to have it polished, waxed, and we're going to ceramic coat it to protect it so that it doesn't get damaged in the sun and protect that beauty, because it did cost me a pretty penny. So without further ado, let me say a few things. I just want to send a huge shout out to TG Works, which is the company that made my trunk. If you guys want to hit them up with carbon fiber parts, you can feel free to hit them up, man. The trunk, even though it was a little hassle with the shipping and like the whole weight, and I know it was kind of stressful, but at the end, man, it was well worth it. The trunk looks beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys the result, and we need to slap it on right now. But I just want to send a huge shout out. If you need any carbon fiber trunk, don't feel like you're being scammed or anything like that. They do a phenomenal job. Let's install this trunk. They were the only ones who were able to do that honeycomb style trunk for me, so I appreciate that very, very much. I hear that some of the screws are very sensitive or very fragile and that they can get stripped really easy, so we're gonna try our best to be careful. Freak, oh, that's not good. All right guys, so I washed the car before filming this, so we're gonna have to clean this a little bit before we install it. We want this area clean. I did not realize it would be that dirty. All right guys, I'm gonna be frankly honest with you guys. I don't know how the fuck to take off this trunk. I have this weird thing right here. Look, show them this weird cable right here. I don't know, they're saying it's a third brake light, but obviously I don't have a fucking third brake light, and I don't know if this thing had a third brake light. I really doubt it. I don't think, why would someone switch off a third, like that wing with the tail light, for a freaking OEM would know. And over here on the side, I'm pretty sure it's just these 3 bolts. I mean, there's not a lot of science. 1, 2, 3. It had to be broken. All right guys, so as I told you prior to this, come check this out. Come on. I told you guys that you guys had to take out these 3, and my dumb ass, when I took out these 3, I tried to take that piece off. It clearly is welded on, and so yeah, there's no way I'm gonna take that off. I just need to take off these 2 spring. The job is so much easier. I'm over here complicating things. I'm sorry guys.
It's okay. We forgive you. You learned to succeed. Yeah.
All right guys, we needed this kind of star. You guys can see, zoom in. We got to take out this bottom one, and I have no tools. I have bare minimum tools, but I was digging in the freaking treasure box and I found this rusty old thing, and it had the freaking key, guys. Jesus is on our side today. He wants us to put this carbon fiber trunk, but this thing is super tight. I just played an arm wrestling match with this and it beat me. So round 2. Freak, oh, that's not good. Damn it. Alright guys, we finally took off this stupid trunk. Guys, be careful with the screws. I don't know how hard your car's screws are if you're ever switching a trunk, but these motherfuckers were hard as shit, and I almost stripped one. I think it's very, very, very close to being stripped, so we're gonna be absolutely our best to try to be careful to try to put that back on. But this thing is off. This thing weighs a ton. I already carried the new one that came in, and this one weighs at least, I don't know, I want to say like 10, 15. No, I think it's more.
Oh, would you look at that?
All right, guys, so I'm gonna weigh myself. I would put just the trunk in there, but when I don't want to put the new one there because I'm afraid it's gonna get scratched. So we're gonna weight myself, and then we're gonna see my weight with the trunk. Hold up, don't record my ugly toes, bro. Okay, so I weigh 146.6.
Damn!
Now I'm gonna record myself with the trunk. All right, check that out. 164.2. So note that 164.2. I'm always going to put the number right there so you guys remember. Okay, now let's go. We're going to clean the area real quick, and then I'll meet you guys inside with the new carbon fiber trunk. The reveal, the whole shebang. My trunk, we're revealing it right now. So get ready. Alright, take a look at that. 160. I guess it's only 4 or 5 pounds lighter. Oh wow.
One side does grab.
Alright guys, so we finally got this one installed. As you can see right here, we have, as we can see right here, we got these cables here. We're gonna, he suggested that we go buy some 3M tape that has like a zip tie kind of thing, and we're gonna kind of put this together, and we'll fix this later. This is not a big problem. We got the trunk installed. That was a big issue. And guys, as you guys can see, we had these installed. I didn't know you guys can take this off. And the guy you guys saw earlier, he's our Mexican Brad Pitt of our street. Like, the guy is a genius, man. And so he just freaking came in here, did his magic, dropped a bit of holy water, and like he freaking installed the whole thing down here in like 10 seconds. And I was taking like 30 minutes just to take the trunk off. But man, dude, the guy's a genius. Thanks, shout out to him. And let's freaking give you guys a little quick B-roll of the trunk so you guys can admire it. Go down to the comment section below, let me know what you guys think, drop a like on the video, and let me give you guys this B-roll real quick. So gives the car a whole new, like, I don't know if you guys can see that, man. Freaking sick. One thing I do have to say, which is not that great, but we do have little bigger gaps now, half a finger. But since my car is kind of dark toned, it kind of adds like some black outlines to it, which kind of end up complementing the car, which is why I'm not really triggered about it. But yeah, it looks freaking sick. I'm satisfied. Looks freaking dope. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know this video was finally awaited after 2 months. But yeah, here it is. So tomorrow we are gonna go get that polished, waxed, ceramic coated, protected, everything, man, the whole shebang. Tomorrow you guys will see that video as well. We also got the coilover install coming next, the whole shebang. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a like, please guys. It took me 2 months to make this video. Well, it only took me 1 day, but you know what I mean. Like, it took 2 months to get that carbon fiber trunk. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you guys see me in person, guys, sometimes I blast the music in my car so I can't really hear you guys or anything like that. Get in my way, do something crazy in front of me, and I'll probably pay attention to you. But here's my carbon fiber trunk. Thank you guys. Feel free to say hi in public, anything like that. I freaking appreciate that, man. I already had a couple people come up to me saying they watch my videos. Honestly, it's the best feeling in the world, and I love meeting some of you guys. So thank you guys so much for all the support. Catch me on Instagram for some sick ass pic of the G35 with the new carbon fiber trunk, and I will catch you guys another day with the coilover install. Thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Peace.